How to turn on push notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on push notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now click these three lines in the top corner and go down into the find settings and here notifications, and now go down again. Here you will find push notifications and then just click this one. Click on push notifications and here you can turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.